Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Finnair Airlines Baggage Allowance. Finnair's standard baggage allowance varies by ticket type and route. Economy passengers typically get one checked bag, 23 kg, and one carry-on, 8 kg. Business class often allows two checked bags, 32 kg each, and increased carry-on allowance. Additional fees may apply for extra or overweight luggage. Specific allowances can differ based on frequent flyer status and destination. Cabin baggage. Finnair allows passengers to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item into the cabin. The maximum dimensions for the carry-on bag are 55 by 40 by 23 cm, 22 by 16 by 9 in, and it should not exceed 8 kg, 17.6 pounds. The personal item, such as a laptop bag or handbag, must fit under the seat in front of you. Checked baggage. Economy class. For most economy class tickets, passengers are allowed one piece of checked baggage weighing up to 23 kg, 50 pounds. However, this can vary depending on the fare type and route. Some promotional fares may not include checked baggage, so it's essential to verify your specific allowance when booking. Checked baggage. Business class. Business class passengers generally enjoy a more generous allowance. They are typically permitted two pieces of checked baggage, each weighing up to 32 kg, 70 pounds. This allowance provides ample space for longer trips or those requiring more belongings. Excess baggage fees. If your luggage exceeds the weight or size limits, you'll be subject to excess baggage fees. These fees can vary depending on the route and how much over the limit you are. It's usually more economical to purchase additional baggage allowance in advance rather than paying at the airport. Special items. Finnair has specific policies for special items such as sports equipment, musical instruments, and mobility aids. Many of these items can be transported for free in addition to your regular baggage allowance, but they may require pre-approval or special handling. Finnair Plus members. Members of Finnair's loyalty program, Finnair Plus, may enjoy additional baggage allowances depending on their tier status. For example, Platinum members are often allowed an extra piece of checked baggage on top of their standard allowance. Codeshare flights. If you're traveling on a Finnair-operated flight that's marketed by another airline, codeshare, the baggage allowance of the marketing airline typically applies. Always check with the airline you booked with to confirm your allowance. Infants and children. Passengers traveling with infants, under 2 years old, are usually allowed to bring an additional 10 kg, 22 pounds, of checked baggage, as well as a collapsible stroller or car seat. Children aged 2 and above have the same baggage allowance as adults. Restricted items. Finnair, like all airlines, has a list of restricted items that cannot be carried in either checked or cabin baggage. This includes obvious items like weapons and explosives, but also less obvious ones like certain types of batteries or liquids over 100 milliliters in cabin baggage. Through checked baggage. If you have a connecting flight with Finnair or one of its partner airlines, your baggage can often be checked through to your final destination. However, this may not apply to all itineraries, particularly if you have a long layover or are changing to a non-partner airline. It's important to note that baggage policies can change and may vary depending on specific routes, fare types, or promotional offers. Always check the latest information on Finnair's official website or contact their customer service when planning your trip. If you're traveling with valuable or fragile items, consider carrying them in your cabin baggage if possible. For items that must be checked, proper packing and, in some cases, additional insurance might be advisable. Remember that while Finnair strives to handle all baggage with care, it's wise to pack any essential items, medications, or valuable documents in your carry-on bag. This ensures you have access to important items in case of any unforeseen delays or issues with checked baggage. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.